deep, cold sleep, fire awake, tribe strong. The world sleeps, even the beasts hide. We must think as the earth does.
Without fire, the dark will take us.
We go at dawn.
Hold the line! Push them back!
Even death gives warmth.
We burn their bones tonight.
Ice in the wind, blood on the snow. We have stolen warmth from death itself. We will live. We always live. The winds were colder then, my children. Our ancestors faced mammoths of ice and hooray!
The sun hides, but it has not died.
Tomorrow, we hunt again, south. It kept us. Now we move. Stop! Fire up! The world wakes. The ice breaks, and the rivers remember how to flow. He searches as we do, for life. The rivers wake.
The world breathes again.
We thank the spirits for this water. It brings life to the tribe. The ice ends, but we remain. And tomorrow, we begin again. The land remembers us, and we remember it. Food?
Not yet, but soon.
The cold yields its due. It was the cold that taught us patience. Now warmth teaches us gratitude. The water lives. And so do we. The fire lived when the world froze. It will live when the world burns. It is the heart of us all.
It lives because we chose to live.
And wherever we go, the fire goes with us.
There! The land remembers warmth.
When the voices of the sky return, so does the world.
Game lives here.
This river remembers the cold, but it carries warmth forward. We rest here.
This warmth, we made it from fear. Food for the next moons.
Not yet. The land feeds slowly after the cold. Let it grow again.
We are not masters. We are keepers of warmth, ours and theirs.
The song of fire, the song of the rain. We are
So we are not forgotten.
Endurance must leave its trace.
The land breathes with us again.
The cold is gone.
No, it never leaves. It lives in our bones to remind us. I have seen many winters, but never one that taught as this one has.
You have learned. You have carried the flame through death.
We will carry it farther.
Then the world will never freeze again.
He gave us the fire. Now he becomes part of it.
The fire goes home.
the wind whispers peace, the flames dance bright, safe.
This stays. So we remember. He taught us to survive. And to remember why we must. So the land will know we lived. And that we endured. Keep it small. But never let it die.
They watched us through the cold.
In the longest winter, they kept the flame alive. In the silence of the cold, they